Is your hotspot slow or being used without permission? Want to make it more secure? In this video, I'll show you how to change the hotspot password on your Pixel phone. Let's get started. First, go to the Settings app on your Pixel device and tap on Network and Internet. Now tap on Hotspot and Tethering. Select Wi-Fi hotspot to open hotspot settings. Then tap on hotspot password. Type your new password, at least 8 characters recommended for security. Tap Save to apply your new hotspot password. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below.